Hi, so I wanted to follow up on the calculator about the current. So I've rigged up so I can measure the current to show you. So at 3.2 volts, that would be like an absolutely brand new battery, pretty much. When I turn it on, it's like 12 milliamps. Doesn't seem like much, but if I light all the digits, it goes up to 32. Seems like, I mean, if you could have an absolute brand new battery all the time. Let's do 8, because that's like most segments. So that goes up to 33. Doesn't seem like much. It doesn't seem like it would take down one of these button cells, but it seems like it does, you know. Maybe they're just rubbish button cells. I don't know. I've no idea actually what their current rating is. It's a standard CR2032. But anyway, I looked at the circuit diagram and it seems like if you plug it into 5 volts USB, it connects to the same place as a battery. In fact, it tells you do not use USB and coin battery at the same time, for obvious reasons. So if I turn this up to 5, and then I turn it on, like just 10 showing it's 90 milliamps, but at all 8s it goes right up to 74. So it obviously uses a lot more power on 5 volts, but it's more consistent and reliable on 5 volts in its operation. So it kind of can work on these batteries, but I don't know. I need to investigate what their current rating is. I mean, they're normally used for things like BIOS backup and stuff like that, aren't they? And like LCD displays and things like that. Very low current. So yeah, if you know what their current rating is, put it in the comments. Anyway, I thought you'd just be interested to know why the battery went down so quick. Thanks for watching again. God bless.